A man who was brutally abused by the police earlier this week in Denham Town, Kingston, is speaking out. Residents have since blasted the officers for their actions taken to the streets. Now, the police have responded, but first, here's TVJ's Anthony Lugg.
In time, these scars may fade, but the circumstances which led to them will forever linger in the mind of Jermaine Abrahams.
I'm so traumatized. The first something like this ever happened to me.
Abrahams is the man who was brutally abused by cops who visited his home in Denham Town, Kingston, Sunday morning.
I hear them, where the boy they were in here. So my mother said, no boy in here, I have my two sons in here and my little daughter. So anyway, I go out and have a look. Him always stretching him and drag me in my underpants, tear me inside underpants because I have on two underpants. Him tear me inside underpants and I stretch out my underpants. And I say, officer, what's the problem? What's the altercation? And I say, boy, what you mean by you call police?
He says he was then ordered down the stairs, after which he appears to be in a conversation with the police. So I realized you were turning back and you were saying stuff to them as they were pushing you down the stairs. What were you saying to them?
I was saying, officer, you can't stop pushing me on my back and I go down the step and I run gun away. Can't stop hug and pull me like me a criminal or me a murderer. Like me just kill somebody and you come for a wanted man. You can't stop the with me saying officer. Because me a walk come down the step, me a cooperate with them.
Then after what appears to be another conversation with the police, the matter escalated. Many have questioned what would have prompted a group of police to do this to an unarmed man.
So I said to them when I reached on the step, officer, now walk go over the Zozo or what? There comes him grab me up in my shoulder and a fling. So I said, officer, you can't do it, I said, do it, better not put my underpants them up in my bottom and all these sort of things. And I said, officer, hey boy, you start kicking my foot. So I said, officer, I hold on upon him because I want to know what the reason he want to kick on my foot for my job for. If I the handcuff you put on, when you never put on the handcuff from up the stairs.
In the end, Mr. Abrahams was charged with resisting arrest and assaulting a police officer. He also sustained injuries to his shoulder, back, and abdomen. The 24-year-old described the last 24 hours as a nightmare and says it has been a struggle.
If I cough too hard, I feel hold my head and my belly and I cough. If I sneeze, I feel hold my head and my belly.
But the pain isn't the only thing the family is struggling with. The price for the x-rays and CT scans is also a challenge. As they wait for the court hearing in November,
for me right now, I don't want justice to come out of it. I want justice.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
In the meantime, the police are defending their actions. Now, we must first warn you that the images in the following report may be disturbing. Again, the images in the following report may be disturbing, and so viewer discretion is advised.
The cell phone video has been widely circulated. Romaine Abrahams being escorted from his home in Denham Town, Kingston, then being hit and kicked by the officers. As the video spread, it sparked outrage, especially in the Denham Town community, with residents demonstrating on Monday.
We need justice! We're tired of police brutality! We need justice! Like Agan dog around here. We're tired of it!
But Commander for the Zone of Special Operations in Denham Town, Superintendent Terence Sanko, sees it differently. He says the incident started after 10 o'clock Sunday night when a group of persons disobeyed police orders to come off the streets. He says the group got boisterous. 2 men in the group were detained and released about 6 o'clock the following morning.
Shortly after about 6:15, they gathered again in the area that is known as building. The police went up again and made attempts to disperse the crowd. This young man in particular, I understand, became extra boisterous. The police decided that they would put him in custody. What you see transpired at the end of the video is what we need so far.
Arrests aside, the video again raises concern about excessive force being used by the cops to apprehend an obviously unarmed suspect. In light of the reasons and sequence of events given by the cops, we asked Superintendent Sanko if the actions of the policemen were justified or the right thing to do.
No, we wouldn't say that is right. But as I indicate, the matter is under investigation. From our side, we'll await the investigation to see what transpires.
The investigation is being carried out by the Inspectorate and Professional Oversight Bureau. Witnesses are being asked to contact the Bureau at iprob@jcf.gov.jm or via WhatsApp at 876-838-3084. Herman Green, TVJ News.